And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Good Day Son-in-Law. With me now from Neblett Beard and Arsenault, West Graylap. We continue our legal difference segment. We're going to continue to feature on estimates and repairs following a car accident. So, Wes, welcome. Good to see you again. Thanks for dropping by.
Thanks, Mark. I appreciate you having me today. We're going to finish up our segment today regarding property damage and what happens with your vehicle.
We talked about, and just a quick overview about what should you do with a license plate after an accident.
That's right. Definitely turn it into the motor vehicle department if your car is totaled out and you're not going to own that vehicle any longer. Of course, if it's being repaired, your license plate is fine. You don't need to do anything with it.
Say I want to keep my vehicle, even if it was totaled. What can you do about that?
What can happen is that you can be compensated for the salvage value of your vehicle, which means that whatever it is for a junkyard to take it and break down the parts, you would get that amount of money, and you would apply to the Department of Motor Vehicles for a salvage title. And then once it's repaired and roadworthy, if you choose to do that, then you can go and apply for a regular title.
Okay.
License.
You mentioned a salvage title. What is that? I've never heard of that before, actually.
A salvage title is everybody has to have title which represents ownership of their vehicle. And if a vehicle is no longer roadworthy and it becomes categorized as salvage, then the towing company or whatnot can then sell the parts because they still have the title, or you can own the vehicle, retain ownership of it, and you will be issued a salvage title from the Department of Motor Vehicles.
What about getting a document notarized? What's some of the steps involved with that?
Well, especially your car title, because the Department of Motor Vehicles is very sticky about making sure that everything is appropriate on your title so that there's no theft involved, and that's to protect you, even though it's tedious. But so getting it notarized is important. A lot of people offer notary services at Neblett Beard and Arsenault. Will notarize your documents for free. So anybody who needs any notary services for anything at all, you just drop by Neblett Beard and Arsenault, and we have attorneys and notaries present all the time.
Yeah, take care of that for you. Exactly.
Absolutely.
Okay. Should I sign a release of claims?
When signing a release of claims after an automobile accident, you have to be careful because the compensation stage comes in two parts, and the first part is for the property damage to your car. And so when you're satisfied that your car has either been repaired properly and that you've gotten the rental that you need while it is being repaired, or if they total your car and they pay you for it, you want to sign what is called a property damage only release. A release can include all of your damages, which include your bodily injury claim, which we're going to talk more about as we go on.
Yeah. What other forms will you have to sign? What forms do you have to worry about?
Usually you have to sign a power of attorney, which allows the insurance company to transfer the title to the salvage company that eventually buys it.
Okay.
And so that power of attorney is restricted to simply transferring the vehicle from your name to the salvage company. But other than that, you're probably good to go other than receiving the check for the vehicle.
Yeah. A lot of things you have to worry about following an accident as far as filing for estimates and repairs. You just got to follow your P's and Q's pretty much.
Absolutely, and it changes all the time with today's technology.
Yeah.
People are accustomed to, having an evaluator come out and appraise the damage to the vehicle. Well, nowadays, insurance companies want to do it by cell phone, by sending pictures of the damage and whatnot. So it can be real tedious, and at Neblett Beard and Arsenault,
you'll help them guide them through the process.
Absolutely. If we represent someone in an injury claim, we help them with their property damage at no charge.
Got it. What are you going to touch on next Thursday, Wes?
Next Thursday, I'm really looking forward to it. We're going to start talking about bodily injury claims and what your rights are if you've been injured in an accident.
Best way to get more information on anything, Neblett Beard and Arsenault?
That's right. Call us at 561-2500. We have attorneys available 24/7, and we'd be happy to speak with anyone about any questions they have.
Thanks, Wes. Thanks for dropping by again. Good heading.
Great. Thank you.
We have more to come. Stick around on this Thursday.